because of my dad. Siya po talaga yung nagpasok sa akin when I was young. Siya yung sobrang naging stage father na ipasok po ako sa mga VTRs for commercials.
You started as a commercial model. Okay.
Actually, like I was young, di ko po alam yung I wasn't really know what I'm doing. But at the same time, parang I got the hang of it na, okay, parang nag-enjoy pala ako sa, kahit bata pa po ako ng time na yun, to portray na someone else, kahit iiyak ka lang, ganyan. Yun lang naman po yung alam ko ng time na yun. And then, until na pumasok na po yung mga, siguro mas more criticization sa isip ko na, there's a deeper depth pala of acting, not just doing the scene itself, na marami pa lang kailangan i-consider at kailangan intindihan to get to know everything, even the story, the characters that you work with. Yeah.
Yung interest dun nag-start?
Yes.
Okay. But have you tried doing theater plays?
I want to.
Okay.
Yun po yung laging sinasabi sa akin ng mga ibang friends po sa industriya. Na bakit di mo try? Try mo lang. I mean, kahit once or I don't know, because it's also different. It's a different volume ng arts eh. So yeah, pwede ko naman po i-consider kapag may na-offer din or kung may mga auditions, I would love to.
Yeah, because we're doing partnership with different theater association like PETA, Sandbox. So most likely if you have time to audition, probably.
Tsaka yung mga ibang cast po ng series din, galing din sa theater.
Exactly. So why not? Any other questions? Ken?